Hello and welcome to the first introduction to the Easy Reading program. Easy Reading can help you to understand websites more easily. In the program there are many different tools. At the beginning you can create your own profile and decide which tools you need. This video shows you how to do it. Here is the starting page. You always have the option to have the text read out to you. Here is a symbol for read aloud. If you click on the symbol, the text will be read out. On the first page, you can decide if you want to create a personal profile. With Start Immediately, the standard tools are loaded. These are the tools that most people would use. To create your personal profile, click on Yes, create a profile. In total, there are 7 steps to create your own profile. Below, you can see which step you are currently at. At step 1, you decide if you need the Read Aloud tool. It reads out the text and can help you to better understand it. You can choose between Yes, read text aloud and No, thank you. After you have selected an answer, a green tick appears. Now you can choose how fast the text should be read. Slow, normal, or fast. Click on Next. Now you are at step 2, Translations. There are 2 translation tools. You can have text translated into plain language and into different languages. For example, you can translate German text into English. You can click on one, several, or no answer. If you don't want to select an answer, just click on Next. Step 3 is the image explanation. With the image explanation, images are displayed for words. The images can help you to better understand difficult words. You decide whether you need the tool or not. If you select Yes, use image explanations, you can choose how the images should be displayed. Do you want the image to appear only when you click with the mouse on the word? Or should all pictures be seen at the same time? You can also choose whether the images should appear above or next to the text. Step 4 is Symbol language. Symbols can also help to better understand difficult words. With Yes, please use symbol language, you can select the tool. Now you are asked, which symbol language do you want to use? In the 3 answer boxes, you can see examples for the symbol languages. All 3 boxes show the same picture in the language. They show a person reading. At step 5, you can choose tools that change the appearance of text. Again, you can select one, several, or no answer. There are the tools Increase font size, Increase line spacing, and Change font color. In the next step, you can select tools that change the appearance of websites. Again, there are 3 tools you can choose: No advertisement, Highlight links, and Reading mode. At the end, you can decide how do you want to activate help. There are 2 options. The first option is you open Easy Reading, click on the desired tool, for example Read Aloud, and then you click on the part of the page that you want to have read aloud. The second option is you use your mouse to highlight the part of the page where you need help. Then you open Easy Reading and click on the desired tool, for example Read Aloud. You decide which kind of help is best for you. You made it! Your profile is ready. You can change your settings at any time. To do so, click on the Easy Reading symbol above. From now on, you can find your Easy Reading tools here. If you click on the Easy Reading symbol, the tools are displayed. Click here to go to Google. You can also visit any other website. For example, you can visit our website for more information about the Easy Reading project. On the website, you will also find more explanatory videos. If you want, you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel to be always up to date.